Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about sewing crafts and DIY projects. Recently, I got myself a Cricut Maker, so of course I've been trying to personalize everything I can get my hands on, including these hardcover notebooks, and I'm going to show you in this video an easy and quick way to monogram these notebooks using iron-on or HTV transfers. This is the Moo hardcover notebook, made from durable book cloth and has lay-flat Swiss binding and premium paper. Each one has contrasting color paper in the middle. Using a clear plastic roller, I attempted to find the center of the cover, and I made a chalk pencil mark lightly at the spot. Now let's get into Cricut Design Space, which I've been exploring as much as I can. I found a few options for monograms, and the specific elements I'm using are in the description box. So far, Cricut Design Space has been pretty easy to navigate, although for several weeks I could not use the text function at all. It was grayed out, then suddenly it was just available. I sized the letter to fit into the circle frame. By selecting both elements, you can center them together under the Align menu. You'll need to attach the elements so they don't separate on the cutting mat by again selecting both, then hitting the Attach button. I set the base material to Everyday Iron-On. And don't forget to mirror the image. Since you're using iron-on material, it will be reversed. This smaller design fit easily onto a leftover scrap of HTV. Cutting out the monogram took less than 2 minutes, and the weeding wasn't too bad, especially with the Cricut tool that looks like it's from the dentist. To prep the notebook, lay a Teflon sheet over it, and then the Easy Press 2 for about 5 seconds at 280 degrees. To find the center of the iron-on transfer, I gently folded it in half each way. Then line up the center folds with the mark on the cover. Doesn't have to be exactly perfect. Place the Teflon sheet over the monogram, try not to move it. At 280 degrees Fahrenheit, put gentle pressure on the Easy Press 2 for 30 seconds. Once it's cooled down, carefully peel off the carrier sheet. Now these are going to be Christmas gifts, so shh, don't tell anybody, guys. And if you're looking for some other ideas and inspiration, check the playlist I have called Handmade Holidays, with lots of other gift ideas you can make yourself. I'm sure your friends and family will absolutely love them. And a lot of the tutorials and ideas work for other seasons as well, not just specifically the holidays. And also, I do have a new Etsy shop stocked with ready-to-sew kits and curated sewing supplies. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. See you guys again in the next video.